In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A50, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. Begin by launching Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in Launcher iOS 18 and install this app from Launcher Studio Developer. When your app is ready, launch it. Then hit Get Started, select I agree and tap on Continue twice. Following that, select while using the app or only this time. Hit Allow. Switch your wallpaper to iPhone 1 or leave your current one and hit Finish. Now after closing an ad, you can finally click on Set as Default at the top and apply your launcher by clicking on it. You can also apply your default one by going into the same settings in Launcher app. As you can see, after that my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!